Hello mga ka-basic. So for today's video, atin pong pag-aaralan kung paano ba tayo magdi-divide ng monomial. So example, number 1 is x to the 4th power divided by x squared. Okay? So dito, the first thing na gagawin natin is just to copy the base, which is yung x, then subtract the exponent. So we have 4 minus 2. So it is equal to x, then 4 minus 2 is equal to x squared. So the answer is x squared. Then yung number 2, so we have 15 divided by 5 is 3. Then copy variable na x, then subtract the exponent. So we have 3 minus 1, then it is equal to 3x raised to 2 or 3x squared. Then number 3, so dito we have 8 divided by 2 is 4. Then copy x, then 3 minus 1. Then copy yung y. So we have 3 minus 2. Then it is equal to 4x, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1 is 2. Then y, 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer is 4x squared y. How about yung number 4? So we have 12 divided by 3 is 4. Copy yung x. So we have 3 minus 1. Then, yung y. So we have y raised to 2 minus 1. Then we have z, 3 minus 2 as the exponent. So it is equal to 4x, 3 minus 1 is 2. Then z, 3 minus 2 is 1 over y raised to 2 minus 1 is y. So therefore, the answer is 4x squared z over y. So ganun lang po mga ka-basic ang pagdi-divide natin ng monomials.